guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and today I will be spray painting a few of my items to give them a new rejuvenated look. And I will be using the Rust-Oleum spray paint in metallic gold. It says it bonds to plastic, wood, and metal and more. It says it's fast drying, and it is a paint and a primer, and it is double the coverage. This is what it looks like, and I think I spent maybe like $4 total. I bought this at Walmart, and pretty much it's supposed to look like the cap of this. Let me go ahead and show you guys what are the items that I'm going to be spray painting today, and that way we can go ahead and get into it. So this is the first item I decided to spray paint. It's a pencil holder, and it's currently gray, and of course it's going to be the metallic gold. I use this pencil holder for, to hold my makeup brushes and makeup eyeshadows and small little like blushes in this one. And it's supposed to spin, but it makes an ugly noise, so I'm gonna fix that with some WD-40 as well. The other item I plan to spray paint today is this lamp, and it's already a gold color, but we're gonna turn it metallic gold. And since this is silver, it's also gonna be spray painted. I already went ahead and put some tape on the cord, but I'm also gonna put some on this spot as well. That way it can still work. And I just put some up to right here. That way we don't waste tape. And the third item I will be spray painting is this mirror. Of course, we're gonna tape it on the mirror side, and the back doesn't have a mirror, so all this will be spray painted. And the tape I'm using is this Scotch Blue Sharp Lines tape. It's supposed to be very good for defining sharp lines, but either way, as long as I get the whole surface, I'm sure it should be fine. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and set up everything. I know it looks crazy, but it's because it's windy out here and the wind was blowing my papers everywhere. So I don't recommend doing this on a windy day, but I'm trying to just work with what I got. So, and today's my only day off, so I gotta take advantage and do it. I had already pre-cleaned this, but it's getting all kinds of grass and dust from out here. So I'm gonna try to just get started, guys. Either way, I will show close-ups of what the product looks like at the end of the video, so keep on watching. So these are the final results. I love how everything turned out. Everything's nice and gold. And for it being my first time spray painting anything, I can honestly say that it looks pretty nice, and I love how everything looks. Do more DIY projects in the future, so if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.